What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. Each shape represents a unique digit from 0 through 9. Find the value of each shape. So right here, we have a 2-digit plus a 3-digit plus a 3-digit equals a 4-digit. And for the 4-digit number, all of the values are the same. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play, and I'll give you the explanation. So right off the bat, we're adding a 3-digit plus a 3-digit plus a 2-digit. So if you think about these just maxed out, for example, right? If we have 9,999, which it can't even be, right? Because these are all going to be unique, plus another 900, and then something like a little under 100. We're talking about at most something in the 2000s, but it's either 1,000 or 2,000, right? For the final digit. So that's pretty helpful. We can start with the assumption of this being a 2. Let's just play that out. So it could be 1 or 2. We're going to try 2 first. So if these are all 2s, what would the greens have to be? Well, what times 3 is going to end in a 2? We have 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 does end in a 12, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 6 is 18, 7, 21, 8, 24, 9, 27. So the only option would be 4. So that would mean these would have to be 4. So we'd have 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12, carry the 1. Now, 1 plus what is going to give me a 2 down there? Well, we'd have to end in a 1 with these 3 values added together. The only way we're going to get that is with a 7, right? Because 7 plus 7 plus 7 is 21, plus 1 is 22, carry the 2. Last but not least, 2 plus 4 is 6. How are we going to get to a 2 down here? We're going to have another 6 here. That's not going to work because this is supposed to be a 7. So just by trial and error, we've seen that 2 will not work. So let's erase all of these. And remember, our only other option was 1. So I'm going to fill these all in with a 1. And now we're going to try again. So again, the green squares to get a 1, our only option is going to be 7 because 7 plus 7 plus 7 is 21. Carry the 2. Now, we have 2 plus 3 of the same is going to get to a 1, right? That means we could either get to 21 or 11. Now, to get to 21, I'd need these 3 to add to 19. That's not possible. 19 is prime. It's not divisible by 3. But I can get these 3 to add to 9 with a 3 here. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11. Carry a 1. Now, assuming this is a 3, and we're trying to get a 1 here, we have 1 plus 3, which is 4. What's going to make it work to get a 1 here? A 7. We already said the green squares are 7, so this works perfectly. 1 plus 7 is 8 plus 3 is 11. Carry the 1, which leads us to a 1 here. And there we go. That's our final answer. Blue triangles are 1, green squares are 7, and these pinkish, whatever you want to call them, hexagons are 3s. That's how you do it. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining. We'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.